Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Opera GX is updated to the latest build. This avoids feature mismatches. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and toggle VPN on. This registers the service. Once done, choose Scope, enable VPN for all browser traffic, or limit it to private windows. This choice affects cookies and extensions. Make sure to sign into your profile if you want synced preferences. You'll see a small VPN icon in the address bar when the feature is active. You click the VPN icon in the address bar to activate the connection. The indicator turns blue when routing. Next, pick a virtual location from the drop-down. Choose Optimal for automatic selection or a specific region to access geo-restricted content. Once connected, confirm the VPN badge shows data-saved stats. This confirms encryption at the browser level. Also, make sure to disable WebRTC in site settings or use an extension, because WebRTC can leak your real IP, even with the VPN running. You finish by testing that your IP changed. Open an IP check site while the VPN is active and verify location and IP differ. If speeds drop, switch to another virtual location or toggle the VPN off and back on. This often refreshes the tunnel. If sites fail to load, clear browser cache and cookies, then disable any privacy or proxy extensions that might conflict. One key tip: if your real IP still shows, disable WebRTC and reboot the browser. That fixes most leak issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.